Hello, welcome. Let us have graphs, chapter graphs. Already you have learnt how to plot the points on a graph paper. And today you are going to learn how to draw the graph of the linear equation. What is a linear equation? An equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1 is called a linear equation. Let me give you one example, one linear equation. Y is equal to minus 3x plus 1. This is the linear equation. Here only y is there, x is there, power is 1, 1. Equations in which the highest power of the variable is 1 is called a linear equation. And I gave you this example, y equal to minus 3x plus 1. Let us draw the graph of this equation. Let me explain you how to draw this. Here, the relation between y and x is given to you. If x is equal to 0, y will be, if x is 0, y equal to minus 3 into 0, 0 plus 1, y will be minus 3 into 0 plus 1. Minus 3 into 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So we have to make a table for better understanding. Okay. X, y. When x is 0, y equal to 1. Yes or no? Now, let me take x as 1. If x is 1, y equal to minus 3 into 1 plus 1. This equation, the value of x I have substituted. Minus 3, 1 to 3. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So, if x is 1, value of y is minus 2. Now, let me take x value minus 1. What happens? If x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Plus 3 plus 1 is plus 4. So, if x is minus 1, y value 4. So, whatever we thought and whatever we got, I have written in the tabular form. Okay? So, a linear equation is given to you. In order to draw the graph of the linear equation, you have to find the values of x and y which satisfies the equation. The values, the points which satisfy this equation, you have to take. Now, this is the graph paper. I have drawn and shown you here. X dash OX is x-axis. Y dash OY is y-axis. Already you have learnt what is x-axis, what is y-axis. As per this, we have to take the scale. Scale can be taken as per your requirement. Here the highest value is 4. 4, y coordinate 4, x is 0, 1 minus 1, only this much. Y is 1 minus 2 minus 4. So the way you can take, if you take, you actually in the graph papers, you used to have 1 cm boxes or 2 cm boxes used to have. Let us think that this we have 1 cm boxes. So in scale, in x-axis, 1 cm equal to 1 unit I am taking. In y-axis also, 1 cm equal to 1 unit I am taking. So as per that, let me note. Here this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more you can take, no problem. 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus Okay, now let us plot these points. X coordinate 0, y coordinate 1. 0, 1. X coordinate 0, y coordinate 1. So this is the point 0, 1. Okay, this is one. Second one, 1 minus 2. 1 x coordinate, minus 2 is y coordinate. So this is the point. Okay, this is 0, 1, and this one is 1 minus 2. And here when you take the points, at least 3 pairs of numbers you have to take. At least. More than 3 you can take, but at least 3 pairs you have to take. And another one is minus 1, 4. X coordinate is minus 1, y coordinate is 4. This is minus 1, 4. So I have plotted the points, and now let us join the points. Let us join all these points. You can join and produce them also. You see children, when we join the points, we got a straight line. We got a straight line. So whenever any linear equation, if you draw, you will get a straight line. That's why linear equations are known as equations of straight lines. Okay, so this is, we can say, linear graph or straight line graph. Straight line graph, a graph of drawing a straight line. Straight line graphs. So whenever you get a linear equation and draw the graph like this, you will get a straight line. If the equation is other than linear equation, that means in this equation, if the power of a variable is other than 1, then you get a curved graph. You get a curved graph. Sometimes the question, it may be asked, draw the graph of this graph, and whether you find whether 2, 1 lies on the graph. Check whether 2, 1 lies on the graph. If the question is whether point 2, 1 lies or not. This is x coordinate to y coordinate, this point. Does this point lie on this? No. You can write 2, 1 does not lie on the graph. Lie on the graph. Okay? 2, 1 does not lie on the graph. If some other questions, if they ask if so and so point lies or not, you have to see as per that. Okay? And sometimes by using the graph you find whether the point lies or not. By using this also you can check. 2, 1 means x coordinate 2, x coordinate 2, y coordinate 1. If you substitute x coordinate, that is, you got the equation is y equal to minus 3x plus 1. Let us substitute the value of x here. Minus 3 into 2 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1, you are getting minus 5. But y coordinate minus 5 you are getting, y coordinate is plus 1 here. That's why it does not lie. If it is 2 minus 5, yes. If the question is, does the point 2 minus 5 lies? Yes. If x is 2, why we are getting minus 5? Then we can say that yes, 2 minus 5 lies on the graph. And on the graph also, if you produce, you can see that. So this is how to draw the graph of linear equations. I hope this is very clear to you. Okay, thank you.